Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video we will see how to download Gecko driver, how to open Firefox browser and opening URL on Firefox browser. So guys, if you are new to this channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. On this channel you can find videos related to manual testing, automation testing and programming languages as well. And guys, before starting this video, I recommend you to go to my previous video in which I have shown that how to download Eclipse IDE, how to download the Selenium jar files, and how to download the Chrome driver for automation using the Chrome browser. And after that, you can continue with this video. So guys, let's start with our today's video. First of all, we have to download Gecko driver on our system. For that, we will open a browser and we have to search for download Gecko driver. So this in the search results, we have to click on this link of github.com. It will open the download page of Gecko driver. So the latest version of Gecko driver is displayed on the top. So when we scroll down, there are different links for different operating systems. So for example, my operating system is Windows 64-bit. So I will click on this link and the Gecko driver.zip file will be downloaded. So on my system I have already downloaded, so I will show you. So after extraction of that zip, so this is the folder, and inside this folder there is a Gecko driver.exe file is present. So now we will open the Eclipse. So let me make a new class for our today's video. So the name of the class we will give is demo Firefox, and we will select the option for creating public static void main inside the class. So it will automatically create main function inside the class, and we will click on finish button. So the class is created, demo Firefox, and the main function is already present inside our class. So here we will write our code to open Firefox browser. So as we have done in the previous video for opening the code through the Chrome browser, so same thing we will do here is, first of all we will set the property of Gecko driver. So for that we will write system dot set property. So this function accepts two arguments, one is key and the other one is value. So in this first argument we will write WebDriver dot Gecko dot driver. In the second link we have to give the path of the Gecko driver, but which we have downloaded now. So we will go to that folder in which we have downloaded the Gecko driver, and on this Gecko driver link we will press shift key and click on the right mouse button, and we will select this copy as path option. So the path is copied on the clipboard and that we can paste here directly. And what we have to do is we have to write double slash in place of single slash here. So now we have successfully pasted the path of Gecko driver.exe. So the system.set property thing is complete. Now what we have to do is we have to make object of WebDriver. So the name of the object is driver equal to new Firefox driver. So we are opening the Firefox driver, that's why we have written Firefox driver here. If we want to open Chrome driver, then we will write Chrome driver here. So it is displaying error in this WebDriver and Firefox driver. So because we have not imported the package in our class, so for that what we have to do is we have to take the cursor on the error and it will give the option to import WebDriver. We have to click on this. WebDriver org.openqa.selenium. So it will import the WebDriver package. And now on the Firefox driver we have to take our cursor and it will give the option to import Firefox driver org.openqa.selenium.firefox. We will click on this and the Firefox driver package is also imported in the class. So now as you can see the error is gone. So now for opening the URL on the browser, what we have to do is we have to write driver.get. So get is the function through which we can open the URL on the browser. So in the argument what we give the URL that we want to open in the browser. So let us give the URL as https facebook.com. So we have written the code for opening the Firefox browser, and after the opening it will hit the URL which is facebook.com. So one more thing what we will do is we will print on the console that test case is passed. So after opening the Firefox driver and opening the URL facebook.com, it will print test case is passed, so that we will know that all the previous steps are completed successfully and there is no issue in the previous steps. So let us save it and run it. So this code should invoke the Firefox browser and the URL should be facebook.com. So some types of logs are generated in the console. So as you can see the Firefox browser is opened and the URL is facebook.com is being loaded. So as you can see facebook.com is there. So after the complete loading of this website, the test case is passed string will be printed on the console. So it is still loading. So it is loaded, and let us see that test case is passed is printed on the console. So as you can see there are some types of errors or warnings in the console. So these are the errors due to the Gecko driver. So we just have to ignore them. Our code is working fine and we have successfully opened the Firefox browser and the URL on the Firefox browser, and at last we have printed test case is passed on the console, so that we get to know that our code is working fine. So now this is the way through which we can open the Firefox browser with the help of Selenium WebDriver, and we can perform different types of operations on the Firefox browser. So guys, that's all for today's video. In this video we have seen how to download Gecko driver, how to open Firefox browser using the Selenium WebDriver, and how to open the URL on the Firefox browser. So guys, if you like my video then please hit the like button and please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you have any suggestions then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.